What's up, everybody? How you doing today? So I'm going to do a video here of from beginning to end of my Wayfair purchase. First time I've ever used them. I've always been hesitant just because I felt like they weren't such a good company to deal with, but I decided to go ahead and try them out. I did sign up for their professional because I do have a business, and I'm looking for a gaming computer setup for my son's room and also a YouTube room that I'm building. And I thought these were kind of cool looking. Let's see. So this is only for one section of this. So if you look in the middle here to the right, it's the one L shape. But I like the photo that they did here a lot, so I'm going to buy two of them and do this like U shape. I thought they were nice too because they have the shelves up there for the monitors, and there's also RGB lighting that comes with this that goes under there, and I thought that was a nice, clean, kind of a cool looking. I do like this all black better, but for $25 less, I can get the black with red, and I think the red is still kind of a cool touch, so I'm going to go with two of these. And if you happen to sign up for their professional, you can get about 10% off with a promotional code, as you can see down here on the bottom right. Promotions minus $25. If you've never shopped Wayfair and you don't have professional, your first purchase can get 10% off when you sign up for their email. So about the same discount as I'm getting. But I'm really hoping that these are going to come in good condition. I've heard a lot of bad stories about the shipping with this company, and a lot of stuff comes damaged. That's why I wanted to do this video. That way we can see exactly what we're getting and the actual quality of the pieces you're buying. I just hope the quality is good. And we'll also go through, once I get them, I'll show you the condition of the boxes. I'm going to put them all together, and then I'll tell you the good quality or not, or if it's garbage. And then I'll tell you if I recommend Wayfair or not. So this is just the beginning steps. I'm going to go place this order now. It's going to take about 10 days or so before the items get here. Stay tuned for that. If you like this video at all so far, please smash that like button and subscribe. All right, as you can see, I placed the order April 20th today. Two of them I ordered, preparing for shipping, estimated delivery of April 30th. Let's see if they can somehow beat that. That's 10 days away. So you think they'll be able to beat that? Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I got the two packages I ordered from Wayfair. They came 3 days early, which is nice, and they appear to be in really good condition. A lot of people complain about Wayfair and the boxes always being beat up and damaged, but these look really quite good. Nothing's wobbling around inside or nothing, so pretty happy with that. Got it early, good condition, and now I'm gonna bring them in, build them, let you know the quality, and make sure that I'm happy with my overall purchase, and then I can recommend Wayfair to all of you. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in a little bit. All right, getting ready to put together one of the Wayfair gaming desks that I bought. Like I said, I'm really glad that it came in really good condition. I'm popping it open the box now, and it looks like so far nothing's damaged. I don't see any big holes that's going to be affecting it or big dents in the corners. So I'm pretty hopeful that this is going to be in perfect condition. And once this is built, I'll show you guys, and then I'll build my other one, show you the overall look, and then I will tell you if I recommend Wayfair or not. All right, everybody. So far, so good on the Wayfair purchase. So far, very happy with how everything has came. Came here a little bit early. The boxes were in great condition. The packaging for this particular desk was great, the way it was packaged. And overall, so far, I'm very happy with the outcome so far. So personally, when I ordered these, I didn't like just how this one L shape looked. That's why I ordered an additional one, because I wanted to make more like a U shape. That way I could have my chair in the middle, two monitors, one on each ledge, and then just turn to the right or left and have another desk basically to work on or do the reviews from that I do on this channel. So in this video, I wanted to go and put together the second one. And when I'm done with that, I'll show you how it looks as a U shape, and then I'll tell you overall what I thought about my first purchase ever from Wayfair, and if I think you guys should go out and use them too. All right, everybody, so to wrap up this Wayfair video, would I recommend ordering from them? Absolutely. The stuff came in great condition. This isn't the most expensive computer desk in the world, but it's very good quality for what I wanted. I love the LED strips that came. Everything works as it should. It was not missing any bolts. Nothing was broken. I mean, it's as good as an experience as you're going to get from any company, really. So, you know, like I said in the beginning of this video, I was a little bit hesitant to order from Wayfair because I've read a lot of bad reviews about a lot of stuff coming broken, missing parts in the boxes, slow delivery, all that stuff, but I'm happy overall. What do you guys think? I think it's very cool looking. It's actually bigger than I thought when you put them together like that. And once I get the monitors up there, the computer, the background, all that good stuff, I think it's gonna look really cool. That'd be a nice addition to this room. Like I said, everything was packaged really well. This is, of course, for this particular item. So do your research on the brand you buy and whatnot, but overall, extremely happy. The only defect in this entire double desk setup is a tiny little chip back here. Then honestly, I don't even care. I'm gonna take a black marker, color that in. You'll never know that's there. And that's literally the only defect on both of these, so that makes me very happy. So to conclude this video, feel free, yes, order from Wayfair. This is only my first purchase, but I give it a solid 9 out of 10 overall. And am I ordering from them again? Absolutely. So if you like this video at all, please smash that like button, consider subscribing. I'm making this into a YouTube room, so I'm gonna have a custom gaming setup and a bunch of other cool things on this channel. I review a bunch of different products, and yeah, if you'd love to join, I'd love to have you. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.